Yeah, initial, what is the correlation? For suppose this is the program application, and this is the server. So this is the server. Explain so many times. Just I want to explain only just one time. So this is the server, and this is the application. We are sending a request. Like for suppose we are sending a request to server, and server is giving a response. And this response is a dynamic response here. Every time this response will keep on changing. This response is a dynamic response. Then we should able to handle this dynamic response by using correlation. Okay. So once we can able to handle this response here, then we can pass this variable as we can pass this value as a variable in the remaining request here. Like for suppose, maybe I handled some, I have done some correlation. Then in the request, in the next request, I can able to send it like a variable. Okay, that is a correlation, main correlation. Okay, now maybe in this lecture, now I want to explain you. For suppose, if any characters will come, like if any special characters will come, mainly mainly in regular expression, mainly if any special characters will come, then it's very difficult for doing the correlations. Like for suppose, some of the special characters are like dot, okay, and star, plus, question mark, caret, dollar, parenthesis, brackets, square brackets, pipe, backslash. These are all special characters here. Okay, so if for suppose this is my response here, this is my response here, and I want to extract a particular dynamic value from this response here. Okay, so how can I extract here by you and whenever for suppose I'm saying that dot star question mark. So we are not getting anything like what is dot, what is a star, what is a question mark. Okay, so I will explain each and everything. Okay, yeah, sorry. Like before this, now I will explain you some basic correlations, like what is a star and what is a plus. So here, what is a star in the sense, star and plus both are greedy. They can able to extract very lengthy dynamic value. For suppose in a given response here, we are having very the star and plus, they can able to select the whole response here. Okay, they're very greedy. Like what is a small difference here for star and plus in the sense? For suppose here A B star in the sense, if for suppose if B is not coming here, for suppose here if B is not coming here, for suppose I will write only A. Okay, A is also then it can match here A B or A B B or A B B B. So the B star indicates the B can repeat like as many times here if you try to fetch the dynamic value. Okay, and coming for plus, here you can see brackets open XY. So then XY came one time here, or if XY will come like two times here, if XY will come three times here, but still the XY it can try to match plus and star. Yeah, no need to learn much more. If you want, I will explain you what is the main difference of like plus and minus. The main difference, it can match zero or more occurrence. Okay, let me explain you with an example. For suppose I'm having a B, C, D, E, F, G, H, something. I'm having some characters. Okay, if I will write dot, like for suppose I will write A, B, A, just I will write A. If I will write A, na, it will try to match only A. If I will try to write A star, so what is still it is coming like A only. Okay. If I will write A dot star, see what is the meaning of this A dot star? It will try to select the whole value. You can see the match number here. It is fetching the whole value. Okay, so dot star in the sense that can fetch the whole value. For suppose I'm having so many lengthy character, but still it will try to fetch it anything. Okay, it will try to fetch. For suppose I will write question mark. If I given question mark, for suppose I will write question mark and AB. Okay, or I will write only J. So it is coming only J. So the question mark is a very lazy person, lazy one. Okay, or one more. See, I can, for suppose without this, for suppose dot star question mark nothing. I want to fetch the dynamic value in a very simple way. Okay, then you can also fetch the dynamic value by keeping a square brackets A to Z, A to Z, again square brackets close. So what is the meaning of this? See, it has given a what is the meaning of this square brackets A to Z? Match a single character present in the list below. It can try to match any single character from the given list. For suppose I will write star. See, if I given star, now it is trying to match the whole variable. Okay, so that is the purpose of the star. Okay, if we are not keeping star now, it will try to like if we are not keeping star, it will try to fetch only single character. Now you explain, now you understood now what is the purpose of star and plus. For suppose I will write plus and star both will works very similar way. No, there will be no doubt. Okay, the plus and star both will work similar way. Almost 95% they will work like a similar way. So you can use star or you can use plus. There will be no issue. Okay, so A to Z here capital small A to Z meaning it will try to select any letters, any small letters from A to Z. For suppose I'm writing capital A B C. Yeah, it is not fetching. Na. See the capital ABG, it is not fetching. To fetch the ABG also, what I should do now? I want to write again square brackets capital A to Z, capital A to Z. Yeah, this is all actually now like 90 percentage you can do dot star question mark only. Okay, but some cases like whenever any dollar symbol will come like, or star symbol will come, okay, that time we will face the problem. And also like learning this concept will help you to clear some interviews here. Okay, very easily. They may ask you like they may give you some response here, and they will ask you find the regular expression. So then you should find it. Now you can see A to Z. It is selecting only A, but I want to select the whole value. It is selecting only A. So what I should do now? I can keep I can keep star or plus anything. See now it is selecting the whole value. So the plus and star both will have same. Okay. Dot just it will try to match any character. Dot plus that will be A, cap, B, C, anything. Okay. So that is the main purpose, like the plus and minus. Now I will show you the PPT. You can able to explain easily. See what I said. A B star in the sense it can try to match anything. A B B B or A C. Okay, anything. X Y plus in the sense X Y X Y X Y. Okay. Now A to Z question mark matches a single letter or empty string. Okay, it can A to Z question mark. It can match only single letter, not full, because question mark is a very lazy expression. It will try to select only single letter or uh, or empty string here. But star and plus, they can match the old response here. Okay. For suppose, in some examples, mainly some tokens may come here. Like some token came. Token, some token came here. Like this, some token came. Okay. And in the interviews, they may ask you if there is no right hand side. Because see, earlier when I explained, I think from last four classes, I'm explaining correlation here. Okay. So when we are doing correlation, we are we are taking some left hand side and we are taking some right hand side, and we are fetching the dynamic value from the middle, like from left and right, between the left and right. But here in the interview, they may ask you if there is no right hand side, only you are having some left hand, but there is no right hand. Then how to fetch the particular value? I want to fetch this code, this dynamic value. If I can fetch this dynamic value, then only the script will run. Otherwise, the script will not run here. So then, in this case, like what we can do, na? Just you can copy this whole expression here. Just copy this and paste here. Okay, maybe. Okay. Now remove this whole expression here. Done. Now what can I do without writing? For suppose if I will write whatever we need, dot star question mark. Is it coming? See, it is coming. You can see the dynamic value is not coming here. Just the token value came, but we need the dynamic value. If this dynamic value will come, then that expression only will works here. Okay, so that is not working. That is not working here because there is no right hand side. There is no right hand side. If we are keeping question mark is a very lazy. It will what question mark will give you? Let just now explain you. Question mark will give you either it will try to match a single letter or empty string. Now in this case, it is giving empty string here. It is not giving this value. Okay, then what I will do? Just I will remove this question mark. Now the token value is coming. Okay, so because of that question mark only the value is not coming. If I will remove this question mark, okay, now here brackets also you can remove. There will be no issue, I think. Yeah, we can remove. Just you can write dot star. The the dynamic value will fetch here. Dot star. I said no, like the star is very greedy. So suppose if I will remove star dot, it is not selecting. Why? Because what is a dot? Dot means like it will match any character except a new line. Okay, so it's compulsory the dot should come here. Okay, so I can say the dot. Okay, when I will say dot, okay, then only it will try to fetch the dynamic value. Okay, so this question whenever any interviews, if they will ask you if there is no right hand, okay, then how can you write the regular expression? You can explain them. Just you can say the dot star. Okay, by writing the dot star, you can try to fetch the value. Okay, this is very important questions they may ask you. Now let me check anything. I've not practiced like earlier. Just I will try to check if there's no right hand side. Only left hand is there. Okay, so dot star. Yeah, it is fetching. Na? Like for suppose if the interview they will ask you no right hand, then how can you fetch this? Okay, so this way it will also work. For suppose if they will ask you there is no right hand and there is no left hand, then how can you fetch the value? Okay, so we can check it. Yeah, it is fetching. Dot star is also fetching. Okay, if there's no right hand and left hand, but I need a particular dynamic value. I need only the not all response here. If I will keep dot star, all response will come, but I doesn't need the whole response here. I need only the dynamic value. Then in this case, you can use this one also. What you can use? I think all are capital letters. Okay, I can use this A to Z. Okay, then star and letters, numbers like 1 to 9 star. Okay, if you try to fetch it this way also, you can use. So these are all like they may ask you like no right hand, no left hand. Okay, if there's no left hand or right hand, how can you do? So these questions may ask. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just I'm looking for example. Let me check one more example. Like yeah, I think it is also selecting. This the number will come. Only it will try to select the digits only. Okay. For suppose I want to select only digit here from this particular number, like from this particular response here, I want to select only digit. You can use this. Okay, slash backslash d plus. Okay, that will also work here. For suppose like one more response. Yeah, otherwise you can use that value, that will also like yeah. Okay, no problem. So this is one case. Now one more example. For suppose I'm doing one e-commerce application. Okay, cost will come like this, like $1 2 3. Okay, like this it will come here. Now I want to fetch the dynamic value like $1 2 3. That's it. I want to fetch that particular value $1 2 3. So then how can I do? Like, and dollar is a special character, na? I explain you. Dollar is a special character. If any dollar will come, okay, if any dollar will come, so then what we can do? We can use backslash then dollar. So what I will do, just I will write the brackets. I will keep brackets here. I will use one like for suppose I will write. I think I will write $1 2 3. It will try to fetch. Let me check. It is not fetching here. It is not fetching. For suppose if I will keep one backslash here. See then it is fetching. Na? See, when I will remove the backslash here, it is not fetching. So the purpose, like whenever any special characters will come, now you understood in yesterday's class. Like whenever any special characters will come, these are all special characters. So whenever any special characters will come, we should keep backslash for before that special character. Otherwise, we cannot able to extract that particular dynamic value. Okay, that is very most important. So we should keep backslash here. Otherwise, we cannot extract the dynamic value. Okay. Now, so now you can able to see. Now you can able to, if I will keep backslash here, then I can able to extract the $1 2 3. Okay. For suppose in place of 1 2 3, if if some other numbers came, okay, then what I can do, 1 to 9, any letters, any numbers may come. Okay, any numbers may come. 1 to 9 plus or star. You can keep plus or you can keep star. Okay, so this way also it will work. 1 to 9, any numbers may come. But if you want to fetch the dynamic dollar symbol, then compulsory you should write backslash dollar. That is compulsory. Okay. Now let me explain you one example. Yeah, this is my response here. Now this is my response here. Now, any can you explain, like, I want to fetch only A, B, C. I want to fetch this value only. Now, how can I write the regular expression for this? Okay, let me explain you. We can check different cases. For suppose initial ABC, small ABC. What I will do in place of small ABC, I will write small a to z, small a to z. See, if I will write only a to z, it is what is it is coming. Only one characters are coming. Here one characters is coming. But I want to select the whole ABC. If I want to select all ABC, what should I do now? Star. Okay. Now you can see the match number. Somewhere ABC will come. Yeah. Somewhere ABC, I said somewhere ABC will come. So I hope you understood now, like like both of you, like what is the purpose of star and the plus. Okay, so the star and plus both, if we are keeping star and plus, they will try to select the old characters. So suppose, let me explain. Let me check. I will write dot here. What will happen here? See, if I will write dot, A to Z dot, it will try to select the whole response here. You can see. I said, nah, what is a star dot star? If I'm not keeping question mark, it will try to select the whole response here. That is not our purpose. Our purpose is to fetch only the dynamic value. Let me check question mark. If I keep a question mark, then again different values are coming. Yeah, that is also not working properly. If I will keep brackets here, yeah, this is also not coming properly. Okay, one word, single characters are coming. This is also not working properly. Okay, so that is not working. Now A to Z star. Now I want to, for suppose there is a dot symbol. If I will write dot here, it will try to fetch. I will check it once. Mm, no, it is not coming. Okay. So for suppose if I will use backslash here, see, if I use backslash, then it is coming ABC dot. Okay, now you understood now what is the purpose of backslash here. Whenever any special characters will come, then before the special characters, we should write backslash here. Then Jmeter will understood. Okay, the dot is a part of a response. It is not a special character. Okay, why? Because Jmeter will have some special characters here. Dot, question mark, open braces, everything that Jmeter will use. But if I want to extract that particular value from the response here, so then it may not extract properly. So to understood like properly for JMeter, that is a part of a response here. We should keep backslash dot. Okay. Now I want to select the number. So for selecting the number, I will write 1 to 9. I will just let me close it. Okay. Now it is selecting 1 to 3 also. Now dollar. I will write dollar. I will check here. See, when I will write dollar, we are not giving any match. The expression is not coming. But when I will keep backslash here, now it is coming. I hope now it is understood properly. So whenever any special characters will come, we should keep backslash here. Okay, now percentage symbol. I think percentage symbol is not a special character. Sorry, I written here. Okay, I want to write here. It is coming because it is not a special character, na. No need to keep any backslash here. Okay, it is not a special character. Now, caret. For caret, what I will do? Okay, yeah, okay. See, again, again it is not matching anything. You can see again it is not matching. What can I do now? Can I keep backslash again? Now it is selecting. Okay. Now end symbol. I think end symbol. I'm not sure. Let me check. Yeah, end symbol is not a special character. Star. I think it is a special character. Okay. So star. It's not coming now. See in the expression in the value it is not coming. The star is not coming. But I want to fetch the star also. Then what I should do? I will write question mark, backslash here. So when I will keep backslash here, then the star will come. Now I need this parenthesis. So for this parenthesis also, I can do one thing. I can write backslash, then I can open parenthesis here. Again, I can write one more backslash, then I can close it. So this way, like whenever any special characters will come in the response, for suppose I want to fetch that particular response here, okay, then I can write a backslash before that character. Then only the Jmeter can extract the particular dynamic value. Otherwise, Jmeter cannot extract. Okay. I hope you understood like everything. What is a star? What is a plus? What is a question mark? Okay. And what is the special characters here? If any special characters will come, how to fetch the dynamic value. Okay, by keeping the backslash before that special characters, then we can able to extract the dynamic value easily. Okay, this is what like advanced correlations here. Mm. Okay, I think yesterday also explained this. I'm using one dummy sampler. Okay, dummy sampler is only for teaching purpose here. Why? Because now I cannot show you the practical response, practical application response here. But I want to show you like how the response will come, everything. For explanation purpose, we can use this dummy sampler. In the dummy sampler request data. This request data, whatever I will give you, that request data will come again. Response. So whatever the response you will give, that response will come. Okay. So just like it's like a dummy sampler. It's not a HTTP sampler or something. Now my name is Suresh. Okay, and my name is Ajay. Two names are there. Okay, I want to fetch or I want to fetch name, or I want to fetch only is, or I want to fetch only Suresh. Okay, so if I want to fetch only one by one here, then how can you do? Like I know my is one regular expression, one dynamic value. Name is also one dynamic value. Is also dynamic value, and Suresh is also dynamic value. Okay. Then what I will do? Just I will write four dot star question marks. I will write. Okay. I given some space here. Intentionally given some space here. If I given space, in the response also the space will come. So we given four dot star question marks here. Here four means like the first regular expression will works for the first letter. Second one will works will my name is Suresh. Na? So the second one will be Suresh. Sorry, name, my name. And third regular expression will be is. The fourth regular expression will be Suresh. Okay. Now I will let me run this. So in the debug sampler, so before passing it like a variable, we should check it from the debug sampler. So from the debug sampler, we are getting my name is Suresh. Okay. Now this will be my name is Suresh, and or this will be like let me explain you with zoom in. Okay. So now here I want to fetch only the name here. Then I want to copy this expression. Just I want to copy this. Only I need only the name. Okay. So I copied. Then I will go to my HTTP request and I will paste it in the body. Like I will paste it like I will pass it like a variable. How can I pass it like a variable in HTTP request? Dollar curly braces open that particular variable. Okay. So this variable you can copy from here. This will also works here, or you can copy from the debug sampler. That will also works here. Okay, just a copy this one. Okay, now let me run. Yeah, it's not passing. See whenever like in sometimes na you will write it, but that will not pass. So why it is not passing? Just I'm checking because why it is not passing. I given match number one. One will not works here. Okay. Okay, one will also works here. Why? Because I think from the debug sampler we are getting so many response here. Okay, I want to fetch only the this one. So that will also should works here. Yeah, it's working. See, the name, it's working. The name is coming. The name is coming. If you want to extract that particular value, so the name is coming. This way, like for suppose if you want to fetch the particular dynamic value or something, you can use the debug sampler, and from the debug sampler, from the responses, you can copy any variable and you can pass it like a wherever you need to pass it. Okay, for suppose sometimes uh, like some tokens will come here. I said no, like whenever maybe sometimes the tokens may come in HTTP header manager below the HTTP request. Okay, then you can copy this and you can search from JTL file everything you can use. Okay, let me check one.